welcome to FM Tuition Academy, the best online school here in Zambia. We are offering online tuitions to all students of all grades. Grade 8, grade 9s, grade 10s, grade 11s, grade 12, including those ones doing GCE and they're writing certain subjects. So we are offering mathematics, physics, chemistry, English, biology, RE, civic education, all these subjects, they are offered here. And if you know you want to do online tuitions with us, we are able to help you to pass, because we are able to pass through exam papers so that we train you, you know how to answer past papers. You can't afford to miss this opportunity. Now, if you want to contact us on 0979 22 20 76. This is our WhatsApp line. You can contact us on this WhatsApp line, 0979 22 20 76. Now, this is the GCE. Let's just go straight into the GCE past paper. Okay? So this is a GCE past paper. We are going straight into it. We do discussions and we start solving the past paper. Let's start solving this past paper. Okay. So this is an exam paper which we are actually solving. So question 1. They give you a fraction like this. This is GCE test revision for maths. The first thing is you draw a straight line like this. Okay? You draw a straight line. And then this one, you bring it down here. 2x minus 4. You put it in brackets like this. Even this one, you bring it here. You put it in brackets like that. Okay? Which is what you do. And then the next thing that you do, this one is common here. So this one cancels with this one. What remains is this one. So this one is multiplying with 5 on top here. It's as good as I'm saying this 5 times this one. It's like you're cross multiplying. So 5 times this one here. This is a common denominator. So 5 times this one, it will be 5, open, 3x plus 5, closed, minus 4 times this part again this side. So 4 times this one, which is 2x minus 4 in brackets. Wow. 3 times 5, 5 times 3, it is 15. 5 times 5, it is actually 25. Minus 5 times 2, it is 10. Plus negative times this negative is positive. 5 times 4, it is 20. Over this which is down, you bring it here. So it's been solved like this. Minus 4, 3x plus 5. Okay? Which is equal to, you group the like terms. 15x, you group it with minus 10x. Plus 25. 25, you group it with, so this 25, you actually group it with what? 25 plus 20. You do your over here. This comes down. 2x minus 4 in brackets. 3x plus 5. Okay. The marker is quite faint. I don't know if you can actually see. (15 minus 10), it is 5. Plus 25 plus 20, it is 45. So this is actually 45 over, the markers become very faint. I hope we will proceed. Plus 45 over 2x minus 4 in brackets, open 3x plus 5. Okay? So this is how you solve them, guys. So that's the first question. So this is the first question. Let's look at question 2. This is question 1. We're looking at question 2 now. Let's look at question 2. Question 2. Because this was actually a test. So we're looking at question 2. I hope you understand question 2. So this was question 1. Let's look at question 2. And we're sure that our question 2 is properly written. Let's hope we didn't make any mistake. Our question 2, it is 6 over 2x. Okay, let's let this thing to be dry first. The board has to be dry. Okay, I hope. Okay, so 6 n minus 3 minus 5 over, that is n minus 2. This is the second question. Let's solve the second question. Okay, so second question, common denominator, we write this. So this is n minus 3. You bring it, this one is n minus 2. You bring it like this. This 6 times this one. So 6 times n minus 2, closed. Minus, you bring it here. 5, you bring it here. You multiply it with this side, I cross multiplying. So open bracket n minus 3, closed. What is outside multiplies with what is inside. So to be 6n, 6 times n is 6n, minus 6 times 2, it is 12. Negative 5 times n, negative 5n. These two minuses, minus times this, negative 5 times negative 3. Two negatives, when multiplied, they form a positive. 5 times 3, it is 15. You do over here. And then I've got n minus 3 in bracket, n minus 2. You group the like terms, guys. 6n minus 5n minus 12 plus 15 over n minus 3, n minus 2. These are in brackets. So this is the first step. This was our second step. This is our third. And then we write our last. So 6 minus 5, it is n. Negative 12 plus 15, it will be plus 3. Open bracket, n minus 3, open this side, close bracket, n minus 2. That is our answer. That is our answer, guys. So this is the way you solve it. So we are done actually solving that past paper. So we go on the next question, guys. The next question. Next. So looking at question 2, this was question 2 rather. So we're now looking at question 3. This is question 2. So we're now going to question 3. So we'll remove this. Let's go to question 2. I hope you have understood this. We're going to question 2, question 2, question 2. I hope your mind is actually learning. This was question 3. Let's go to question 2. We solve question 2. If this is your first time, comment your WhatsApp number. Okay. So we'll remove this. We are now going on the second question, the third question rather, question 3. We are now on question 3. So we are going on question 3. Where's our question exam? Question 3 again. Question 3, it is 3 over 2x minus 5 minus 4 over x minus 3. Okay. All right, guys. I hope you have understood. We'll put this one here so that I use another color for the calculations. Okay. So what do we have here, guys? The common denominator, first I draw a straight line. I bring, I'm looking now for the common denominator. Okay. Let's use this. So common denominator here, it is 2x minus 5 in bracket. Also this one, you drop it down, x minus 3. This times this, 3 open bracket times x minus 3 closed. Minus comes here. Minus 4 comes here. 4 you multiply it with this side. So that is it, 2x minus 5 closed. What is outside the bracket multiplies with what is inside. 3 times x, 3x, minus 3 times 3, 9, minus 4 times 2, 8x. Negative times this negative forms a positive. 4 times 5, 20. You do like that, guys. You see, this is interesting. And then this is 2x minus 5, open, closed, open, x minus 3, closed. This is step 1, this is step 2, this is step 3. Step 3, you group the like terms. So 3x minus 8x, okay? Minus 9 plus 20. You do over 2x minus 5, open, closed, open, x minus 3, closed, is equal to 3 minus 8. It is negative 5. Negative 5. So negative 5x, negative 9 plus, that is 9 plus, negative 9 plus 20, it is positive 11 over 2x minus 5, open, closed, x minus 3. I hope you have understood and your mind has actually opened up on how to answer these GCE past paper questions. Okay, this was question 3. Okay, GCE. Now, we are going to another past paper question. So I'm going to wrap this and then we go on the next question again. So that's how you solve these ones. So I'll wrap this. We have solved questions on fractions. Now we're going to solve questions on, this is question 3. We're going to go to question 4. We are now solving questions on computers. Question 4. That was question 3 we are solving. Questions on computers. Okay. The first question on computers, how is it going? Okay. We are given a pseudocode. So we are given a pseudocode. So they want us to write the flowchart. So we are given a pseudocode. So the pseudocode starts with start. That's the first one. And then here it is if radius, this is a question, if radius is less than 0, okay, if radius is less than 0, then display error message. Okay? This is one sentence. So I've just dropped it this side since the answer, I'll write it here. So I don't want to thing. And then else enter height. So this is the question. I'm writing the question. Then display error message. Actually, let me bring it here. Error message, since there's no space there. Okay? Then display error message. It's the same, this one is supposed to come here, but same with this message is here. It's one sentence, okay? This is not two sentences, it's one. Okay? So this is the first sentence, the second one, the third, the fourth sentence, fifth. Okay? I'm just trying to leave space here where we are going to draw. That's why I wrote this message. This message here is at the end here. Same with this message here is at the end. This one sentence. Then display error message. Full stop. This is one sentence. Same with here again. Then display error message. Full stop. Second sentence. Okay? This is sentence number 1, sentence number 2. This one is alone. Okay? Else enter height. That is one sentence. Okay. Then display error message. Oh, I didn't finish this one. Sorry. Then display error message. Then display error message. And re-enter positive. The space is becoming smaller. I think let me create enough space. It seems the space is becoming smaller as we are going this side. Let me push these sentences towards this side so that there's enough space for the answer this side. Okay, I'll start it afresh. Okay. Okay, so start. Okay. Start. And then here, enter radius. That is the second step. Second sentence, enter radius. Number 2. If radius is less than 0, okay? That is, this is a question, please. We're writing, this is a question. The answer, I'll write it this side. I'll teach you how to interpret. Just wait, just have some patience. And then display error message. This is one sentence. Then display error message. This is one sentence. So don't get confused. Then display error message and re-enter positive radius. Okay, so this is one sentence. Okay, then display error message and re-enter positive radius. Okay, and then the other sentence is this one. If the height is less than 0, if the height is less than 0, then you display error message again. You display error message, then display error message and re-enter and re-enter positive height. Okay, so this is another sentence. This is a new sentence. Else, volume V is equal to 1/3 times pi this 1/3 star pi star square radius star height. Okay, I hope that space is going to be enough that side, because this sentence has gone too far. We'll try. And if display volume, and then stop. So this is a set of instructions. We're supposed to write this. Now the question is, we should write the question is this side. I'll write the question on top here, since I want to start writing it from here. So the question is, write the flowchart. Write the flowchart for this pseudocode. Write the flowchart for the pseudocode. Okay? This is a question. You write the flowchart for this pseudocode. We are writing the flowchart for the pseudocode. Pay attention as I'm explaining. So this is a question, guys. You write the flowchart for this specific pseudocode. We should write the flowchart. What do we do? So it means this set of instructions, you put them in those, in the flowchart. So the flowchart, the first one is start. So you draw like a circle like here. We draw like a circle like here, which is looks like this, and then we name it start. We're writing a pseudocode. Start. The second one is enter radius. So we draw a straight line like this. We name this one. The enter box, the shape of the enter box is not a square. It's not like, it's like a rhombus like this. So it's like this. So we enter radius, meaning we enter R. Okay? R is radius. Enter R. So the first one is start. That's the first step. The second one, so we have done this step. Step 1. Step 2 is enter radius, which we have done here. Step 3 is a condition. If. When something starts with if, have you seen this? If. Because it's if, it's a condition. As a condition, you put a symbol that looks like this. Okay? And always this symbol has got the word is on top here. Is. So R less than 0. So you put like this. R, then you put less than 0. That's how you write it, guys. It is as simple and straightforward like that. The next part is display error message. So it means this comes with an error message on this side. You draw a thing that looks like this, then you write the error message in that box. I don't know if I really don't know if our, let me position the camera well so that you can see this diagram quite well. Okay. I really hope it's going to be visible for everyone to see. So, you remember what I said? I said this is a suggestion box. Okay? This is our suggestion box. So, this goes like this. Our suggestion box goes like this. Okay? You remember what I said? It goes like this. Okay? And then that one goes like this. Our markers are becoming faint. I really hope we're able to do well. So this is here. A is. Then display error message and retype positive. This instruction, you put it in this box here. This whole instruction, you put it here. You say, then the markers are becoming faint. Dear Lord. Our markers are becoming faint. We are hoping that you'll be able to see. Then display error message. The markers are too faint. Then display error message. So then display error message. Then display error message. Retype positive radius. And you retype or re-enter. Re-enter positive radius. Okay? That instruction, this whole instruction here, this one, this entire instruction here comes this side. Okay? Because there is an error. Whenever there's an error, it means this arrow going downwards here will have a no. If there was no error, this one would have been a yes. But since, because of the error, it will be no. So once this one is no, then the arrow going in this direction will carry a yes. Okay? Once there is an error message, it means the down arrow will have a no. If it was just retype positive radius, but there is nothing like error, this word error is not there, then here down would be yes. But because of error, down it's no. Whenever there is error, it means down is no. The next part is enter height. You see, this is also if. This if is the same as this if. So it means even this one is also a condition. So even it is like this. It's also like that. It also is here. And then height, h, less than 0. Also, this one again has got the same message. Display error message and retype positive height. Same thing also this end. It goes like that. It also goes like that. Then display. If you can't see, make sure you're listening to my voice so that when you're writing what I'm saying. The markers are finished, but we have to try to finish this past paper. Then display error message. Display error message and re-enter. And re-enter positive height. re-enter positive height. Then display error message and re-enter positive height. This is the instruction that is here. Then display error message and re-enter positive height. That's the one that is that, like that. Since again here there is error, meaning again the down arrow here will have a no, because it is error. So once this one is no, then this one is also yes. Then lastly, we have got the formula bar, this one, for volume. So the formula bar is always a rectangle. It's always a rectangle. Our markers are really doing us bad, huh? We need to get new markers. Seems as if they are finished. These markers are finished the time when we are doing the question. Can you imagine? They are finishing the time when we are doing the question. Okay. Let's try to use another color, hopefully to work. So this thing is like this. So the formula, this formula now we bring it in here. Volume is equal to 1/3 star pi star radius squared. It means multiplying the radiuses twice. So radius star h. Radius 1/3 pi star radius squared means radius star height. And then end until we now reach the end. Here the second last box is it is like this, okay, which is the output volume. So it means the output, it is V. And then lastly, stop. So there's no space here, but the last this is going like this. So the last shape is like this, the one that is down here, and then it is written stop. That's all. Okay, so since here we are talking about the radius, retype positive radius, so there's an arrow here that goes to this arrow, so it goes like this. Okay, I mean the arrow is going upwards, it's going in this direction. Okay, the arrow from the message error is going to radius, since here it's saying radius, so the arrow goes where the radius is. Same with the arrow here, it's height, so it follows where the height is. There's one command we have left. Here there's an instruction that is coming here that we left. Enter H. It is before this instruction. Let me write. There's an instruction that we left here. It is enter H. Enter height. I didn't see. I thought as if I put it. Enter radius. We didn't write it. Enter radius. Oh boy. We can't wrap this. Enter radius. There's an instruction that we left. It comes after this one. After this error message here. After error message, the next instruction is enter height. So we left it here accidentally. We are too fast. I didn't put it in the questions there. So meaning it is also an enter. So meaning here there's another shape code here that is coming before this one. This is like this. So because of space, just know that there is a shape code that is coming here, which is like this, which is a rhombus like that. This is the way it looks. So this one is enter. We are entering the height. Okay? We are entering the height. So this arrow is going straight here. Okay? Okay, so this no is this no here. Okay, so here this error, there is a no here on top here. There is a no here. There is a no there. I really hope you have understood. Because there was we made a mistake with in the question. We forgot to put enter height. So there is start, first sentence, enter radius, which is what we did here. We entered the radius. And then if radius is this condition here. Okay, we have done. Message error is attached to this if radius. This error is attached to this radius. That's the reason why the error message is going this side. Okay? It's going like that. And then after then display error message and retype positive error, the next message that comes is enter radius. That's why I've put enter radius here. Enter height. Enter height. Enter height. So you bring here enter height. You bring it here. Okay? I hope your mind has actually opened up. You enter the height. After the height, then if height. This one is now for if now. It's also a condition like this one, since all of them are got if. So they start with is. If, so I said here if there is error, here there is no. If here there is error also, even here there will be no. And then everything here, I think everything is same. I think you have understood. So here there is enter positive height. So it means this, there is a line that comes here coming with this thing. Y is the height. So it means where there is H is on top. So bring this line on top where there is H. We'll end here. We would have continued to solve the other questions from computers, but because of the markers are quite faint, that means we're going to end here. Okay? So the last shape code here, as we said, it's this one. So after this shape code, straight is this one. It follows like this. Stop. Thank you for tuning and thank you for learning. Remember, this is FM Tuition Academy. Subscribe and learn. And those ones want to do online tuitions, contact us on WhatsApp 0979 22 20 76. Until then, keep on studying.